Hurricane Doris is raging outside, and in the Polytunnel I noticed there is some change. Our pak choys are going to seed, so I have to harvest before they go to seed. And also the spinach, not the spinach, this is another variety of pak choy, by the way. So I'm going to harvest now, also the mizuna. So harvest time in the Polytunnel on the day of the Hurricane Doris. So harvesting starts from the stem that is going to seed. So I harvested one leaf with the stem that is going to seed. I harvest this pak choy stem also from the middle. Oh, very tender, juicy. I can feel it under my hand. I'm now harvesting this one also. Also this pak choy, which is going to seed. I don't want that to happen, so by removing the growing head, I will delay that. This one also is going to seed, so I will stop that process also. I take a few leaves of the spinach. These are the spinach medina. They have been here since October last year. I have some beautiful leaves of the mustard. I have some of this bubble cress, which I'll harvest. I have more of this cress here. I'll harvest a few leaves. From each plant a few leaves, so in total I will end up with a lot of leaves. This rocket is also growing as if going to seed, so I'm harvesting the top part of it. Some of this Persian cress, which is in the Polytunnel. During the harvest is the best time also to see and notice any weeds, so I'm removing the weeds. I see that pak choy also is going to seed, so I'm going now to harvest the crown of it. So I'm going to harvest that. I have a mizuna here, which I harvest a few leaves. This pak choy is also going to seed, so I'm going to harvest some tips of the pak choy, just the tips. This rocket is also going to seed, so I'm harvesting it now. As much as of the top part, which is the growing point of it. And this pak choy is also going to seed, so I'm harvesting. This rocket also is going to seed. I'm harvesting this. Some cress. Persian cress, some spinach. The variety is called medina. In the meantime, also I see some weeds. I'll remove the weeds. Some of this parsley will be nice in a soup. Some of this also coriander, adding to the soup will be nice. Oh, the smell of it is divine. And if you notice, the snowdrops appeared in the Polytunnel. You can hear actually outside what is going on. Now it's a little bit calmed down, but it was really, the wind was very strong. Just in the Polytunnel, it's so calm.